Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to check a PDF file properties using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, select file option and select here open, and you can open your PDF file from your folder. And this is my PDF file. I have already opened this, and again click on this file option, and here you will find this properties option. Also you can press Ctrl plus D and properties dialog box. Firstly you will find this description option. Click here and says this title name, this author name, this subject name and this keyword. All of this you can edit or change, and this file created date and this modified date, and this advanced option producer version and file size, this page number and space size and tag and security. See this, there is no security, and all of this now allow. And this font size, whose font used here, this initial view, this custom and this advanced. Yeah, this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.